ever. Oh, I didn't see a ring on her finger. Ask her, did you ever been with a singer before? She said no. So let me introduce you to my world. These diamonds and pearls, all a part of being my girl. I got that type of that you ain't never seen before. So around the world, I got them coming back for more. That's when I know that people are watching. Way I'm touching your body. See you dropping and popping. Makes me wanna keep grinding. See, I'm getting nasty with you on the dance floor. You got me going, could you be the reason why I'm losing control? Got shorty right where I wanna, strapped up, hemmed up, trapped in a corner, grinding slow. And I won't let go, no. Baby more iller than pneumonia, feeling tipsy from a bottle of Corona. Oh no, I feel she about to let go. She says she wants to bring me to her world. She whispers some words that damn near made my toes curl. She says she got that I ain't never seen before. And if I get a taste, I'll be coming right back for more. And that's when I know that people are watching. Way I'm touching your body. See you dropping and popping. Makes me wanna keep grinding. See, I'm getting nasty with you on the dance floor. You got me going, could you be the reason why I'm losing control?
Slip inside the eye of your mind. Don't you know you might find a better place to play? You said that you've never been, but all the things that you've seen slowly fade away. So I start a revolution from my bed. 'Cause you said the brains I had went to my head. I heard you say, at least not today.
Hey Chad, I hope you guys are ready, baby. It is Thursday, markets are nearly time. It's a good day to be alive, Chad. I hope you guys are ready for this one. Make sure that coffee is ready. You've had that pee break. We are going to be getting started very, very shortly. Alright, ladies and gents, let's get into it. It is that time again. Another trading day is once again upon us. But Chad, let's get ready for it. Alright, I hope you guys did not blow up those accounts yesterday. It was a great time. Again, not too much, I want to say, trading opportunity from FOMC. We're going to talk about it. But a lot of, I want to say, clearer understanding of where we're going to be moving forward, what we can expect, what events we need to focus on to get that understanding of where the Feds are leaning their priorities on. So it's going to be quite interesting for us. But other than that, I hope you guys are ready. As I said, hopefully not too many blown accounts yesterday. Markets came alive for a little short while and then pretty much went into ranges. So massive one for us yesterday. Unfortunately, not catching the moves we wanted, but making the most of the opportunities. Same to the guys. Literally Tuesday being the first red day for Prodigy, and only because of ourselves. Some of the guys still closed our break even, but closing out red for the first time on Tuesday, and then yesterday not only making back the losses but closing out profitable again. So up again for the week. And that's always going to be the power of risk management and just trusting the process. We always talk about you can't be scared of taking a loss. If you're scared of taking a loss and you make it as if it's the end of the world, that is where you're always going to fall short in your trading. But nonetheless, it is a good time to be here. I hope you guys are ready for it. We're going to get ready to open up these markets with a prayer. So if you guys are new here, that is the only time we're going to slow down here on these charts as we get silent and ready for a prayer. On the other hand, also please do us a favor, if you are new, either hit that subscribe button, drop us a like. Everything on this channel here is for free. All we ask from you guys is that follow and that like button, purely just to help with the YouTube algorithm. Let's not talk about City Madrid. Hey, take the loss, on to the next one. Boom, there we go, Ash. That's it, exactly. Focused on that and we saw it. But chat, let's get ready to pray over here. All right. Heavenly Father, we come before you again today to, as always, seek your guidance, your wisdom. We always want that overhand of protection as we take on life for ourselves, our families, our loved ones. But we need to understand, Lord, that we need more of you and less of us. We need you to guide us on this path, brighten the path you want us to take, and help us understand the plans that you have for us. What you want from us, what you want us to achieve. Because sometimes we think we want to go somewhere, we want to achieve this, and we might want to be this richest person on the planet, or we want to be the most famous person on Instagram, but that is not always necessarily in your plans for us. We need to just sometimes understand that, Lord. We need you to give us clarity on what you're wanting from us, where you want us to go, whether that is in that little dream or you talking to us in the evening, or even in just the Holy Spirit talking through us, acting through us, giving us that sign, Lord. We want you to give us that courage. Sometimes we always talk about that the path of less resistance isn't always the easiest and isn't necessarily the path you want us to go down. Sometimes we need to go down those tough roads. We need to have the tough conversations. We need to realize what is good and what is bad. And we need to stand on those beliefs, those morals and values. And sometimes, as we say, Lord, it isn't the easiest thing to do. We always talk about we are meant to be very forgiving in your nature, but it never said in the Bible that that would be easy. So give us the strength to do that, Lord, when again those times become uncertain and difficult for us. Surround us with the righteous and right people, whether that is family, friends, community, that we can guide and help each other, not as necessarily mentors, but that good guidance of goodwill, knowing that the people around you only want the best for you, to see you win and to see us uplift your name higher and higher, Lord. Again, we want you just to trust everything, Lord. Trust in what you want from us. Trust in the timing of when you want it. It's always nice to say, I want this by this time, and I want these goals. We love to set goals. We love to set achievements and milestones for ourselves. But again, those things will always come in your will. At the end of the day, we are just flesh, Lord, and we are just trying to act out what you always had planned for us. May we go into today, the rest of this week, just feeling your presence, especially in every moment that we take on. The good, the bad, the tough, the harder ones, the quicker ones, the faster ones, the slower times when it just feels like those days drag. But every little thing we do in today, Lord, that you can just be there with us. I want you to be that constant source for us, Lord, and that's why we always will say we'll have you centered in everything we do, because we know if you are at the center and the core of it, it will grow only from strength to strength. So, Lord, we pray that you be here with us as we take on this another day and as a community, and you continue to bless us every single day. And we pray this in your heavenly name. Amen. Chad, and this is where his people can drop an amen, because where there's more than two, we know he is present here with us. All right. But amen, amen. There we go. Beautiful stuff, Chad. Okay, so let's get into it. Let's have a look here. What can we see on the charts first today? So start off with the fundamental chat, guys. What do we want to see? Yeah, very, very simple. I don't know if this is loud in my ear. What we want to see over here, familiar, much love, my brother. Again, a lot of red folders, obviously across all the different pairs for the guys who are trading a lot of your forex pairs, your currency pairs. But let's have a look here. Anything for us really to touch on. Only $230 comes into play. Unemployment claims. Going to be very interesting. Again, 213, 215. We obviously, FOMC does have a little hint on what we should be expecting from unemployment and the importance of that. So if you were there, you'll know exactly what I'm referring to, especially the Prodigy members that were in our watch party last night. Then over to new home sales. Again, another one that kind of was mentioned in FOMC last night in the press conference, but again, you'll know what to do there. That will be 4 o'clock, so that will be going into our New York session. So we'll see what happens there, but that is pretty much it for the day, guys. And then tomorrow, nice clear sailing. So yeah, let's get through this, guys, and get over to the chart. So starting off with the dollar, going back to it, very, very simple from the start. I said to you guys, we were pro dollar, nothing was going to change. I said to you yesterday as well, Tuesday can become the low of the week. Wednesday, just working it out and getting that typical style we normally will talk about when we want to see a reversal, taking the low of the previous day and then a nice move. Taking the highs, bullish engulfing. Very, very nice stuff there. So now trading back here, you want to get back into the 100,000. We obviously just tapped it, seen a bit of price action off of that psychological level. Now we just want to leave that, let's do its own thing, but I am going to remain pro dollar and see that strength back to that 100 and 900 key area of ours. Okay, so that's what I'm going to look out for over there with the dollar, but quite interesting what is happening there. Let's go over to the indices quickly for you guys. What can we expect? And I remember I said to you guys, I am still bearish. I can expect quite a bit of chop. We had one more final test of the monthly pivot before seeing that those sells really start to come in, but the whole idea was to see that bearish move. We can see they're trading bullish. We always talk about it, and you've heard Chris almost repeat it multiple times to you, taking the stairways to the top but taking the elevator down. So that's where we saw that move come in over here for us. Back underneath that weekly pivot now. So ideally, I would like to see that volume really start to come in and just keep moving it there. We can already see Asia lows, Asia highs, Asia lows again with the previous daily. So I'm not going to be too surprised if we do see a little bit of chop here, even potential pullbacks. But the long term, long term in the sense of by end of day, we want to be going bearish. So I'll see that in New York when volume comes in. Going over to gold. Gold, the child, I think everyone's talking about. Everyone wants to be like, yo, check that move. Everyone's saying, hey, bro, you should have seen that monster sells. The first question I'm going to ask anyone that comes to me about gold sales is, did you catch that trade? If you didn't catch the trade, I don't want to hear about it. It is very easy for me to sit here and I can make the same proclaim and say, guys, in our lifetime, gold is going to go to 10,000. But what does that mean? What's that going to benefit you? So making insane proclaims and just being, hey, gold had massive sales yesterday. If you didn't catch the sales, it means jack. It really does mean shit. So we took our trade yesterday. A lot of the guys took the 100 pip TP, and then I took obviously the break even. I was aiming for 140, so 40 pips short of TP before that reversal came in. Then massive sell off. A lot of the guys, we talk about this, having that sell off from that area, then having PPI really start to bring it in as well. And then markets really just kicked into second gear, going over from FOMC for that continuation. So again, want to see what happens there now. Quite an interesting one. We are starting to now break out of those areas. But again, going to be quite interesting. We're already at the daily S1, so 1.4% down on the day. I'm not against it completely at this point in time. We're going to have to just wait and see. I do have some areas on my 4-hour I am monitoring. So we could potentially at this rate go at least down for that monthly S1. So 4693, still quite a far way down. So it could be quite bad, but obviously this is a lot of it going to be based off of the volume we saw yesterday, which I don't know if we're going to get that same amount of volume today. We'll have to wait and see. But again, have the strategy. You guys know it. We're going to wait. If I get entry, I get entry, and that's dependent on what I get entry on. So we'll see with gold. We're going to be quite locked in, but I think going to be interesting one year for us today. A lot of guys having a great amount of opportunities. I've even seen now for the first time now guys are making money on negative accounts. I don't know how the hell that's working, but now, let alone flipping 200 Rand to 100,000, Oaks are now flipping negative accounts to 100,000, which doesn't even make freaking sense to me. I don't know how you have an account in the negative and then make money. It's okay. Only accounts I know you do that on where it's a negative is a demo, but yeah, nonetheless, I really don't know how you trade negative accounts. Is our friend Connor back to talk more shit? I don't know. Monitoring, bless you out, my brother. I'm back in action. They are back testing. Need to go back to maths grade 6. Yeah, bro. They caught the gold sales. Yeah, it's very nice when I'm back tested on demo accounts and I can just, because that's the only way, guys, is every time you got a key area, just enter buy sell, and I'm just gonna show you whichever one wins. Your negative accounts, send broker details. That's just negative accounts. Like, what are these people on about? I think I saw the same thing. You took minus 1,800. Bro, how? Like, how? Yeah, I haven't been here in a minute. Is Crystal involved yet? Yeah, my brother. Chris is just in Cape Town. He is back tomorrow. He is back tomorrow. Only problem is where gold sits now. I can't actually take a trade there, guys. The negative balance accounts probably have a bonus as well. So this happened to me. Balance was negative, but equity was 1,000 ZAR in positive. Still could take trades. Let's have a look. Okay, but okay, hold on. Explain that to me then, alright? Because I can't see it obviously at the time, but nah, the equity should have been the same. Because if I look at what, when you minus 1.8, you up 101,000 and your equity is 99, that's because your equity was still down minus 1.8. And also my thing is, if you were down minus 1.8, how are you placing a 10 lot size? Like you negative. So you have basically no margin and leverage, and yet you can still place a 10 lot size. I don't know. XM does that up to 100. No, but that's the thing. XM doesn't run you into negative. They add it to your total and you trade that. So when that goes, it goes. It's not going to run you into negative. Yes, he's correct. The bonus will keep trades running. But okay, Pip Tracky, here's my thing. If keep the trade open, but if you closed in negative. How much does that plot twist be? Chris is the final boss. I was in tears, bro. Wish God bless me with the skills I want. Yeah. Guys, it can happen if you over leverage, then you get stopped up, but your credit keeps trades open. Okay, Pip Tracker, again, my question is, but the trades were closed. Some brokers have drawdown bonus which you can trade. Yeah, I'm aware of that, but they normally a drawdown bonus is added to what you deposited, allowing you to trade into more drawdown. But again, trade into drawdown, not be closed. And again, once your equity is out, then it forfeits the credit. Ruben, the same question there, bro. How do you trade a 15 lot trade on 120 rands? XM won't get you into the negative, yeah. Balance minus 180 rand. So your bonus is a 2,000 rand bonus, equity 1,820. Okay, but it should have been negative 1,820. He placed more than 10 lots. It went into profits, then on pullback tried to enter more, but then got stopped out. Feel me, his initial move happened and jump out. No trades today. Have a like one, gents. Cheers, man. Hey, there we go. Stop following false profits. Sit to choose real enjoyment. Hey, Jexy. Where's the horn here? Shot for the donor there, my brother. I'm just giving a scenario based on what I've experienced. No, I appreciate that. Lots of brokers have unlimited leverage. Also remember, keys, a lot of videos are edited. No, my brother, I sure you, trust me, my brother, I've been in this industry long enough. I know a lot of it's edited. And no broker truly has unlimited leverage. I'll tell you that, but there's no such thing as unlimited leverage. Yeah, no, Rich, I had the guys record his set last night. Bro, I was last when I saw it, brought to myself, this guy should use 100 Rand. Also, Ruben, here's my question, guys. Here's my question, okay? You come to me now and tell me you trade personal capital, okay? Like your personal capital you funding, right? When you're not trading small amounts of money, you're trading big money. Let's call it 10k. Okay, 10k. Are you trading 10k on a standard account to have bonuses? Or when you throw in real money, you on the best account with the best spreads, best executions, raw spread accounts or the ultra lows? Answer that one for me. Keys on a fresh funded, let's make bank today. Hey, let's rock and roll it today, my brother. Deposit 5 Rand, it pushed. Also, guys, markets are open round 7. Ding, 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 ding. Fight. Deposited 5 Rand, it pushed to about 5k with one position. I tried to make a barcode on pullback. When that 5k pulled back to about 2k, I got stopped out to -19 and one of my barcodes survives. Give it a try. Fresh fruit, I will win. There is a trade for me, my brother. Okay, didn't know about that leverage. Yeah, people, for example, I know XNES loves to market it, but there's no such thing as true unlimited leverage. No, bro, of course a normal person would go for the best account. Exactly, that's also my thing. So if you're throwing real bags at something, you're not on a bonus account. Hey, what's up, Slush? But I'm not gonna say anything, guys. The people forget we're in the same freaking industry. Like, the way their things are working is the same way it's working for us. We know your numbers, we know all these things. Like, don't come talk cuck to us. Look, I'm gonna be honest, I have a 20k personal account. It doesn't make sense to me to go for the bonus accounts, honestly. There we go. That's what I'm just saying. It's like, what's the point? Hi, in your Prodigy membership, do you also send signals as well as educate? Predominantly educate. We do send signals if there is something we are primarily looking for, but obviously we also trade live. So I don't know what the point of a signal is if you literally can watch us take the trade with you. Like, we here in London, but in New York session we trade live with the guys. So yeah, I don't get what the point of a signal is necessarily when you literally on the call with us and you take the trade with me. You know something's up when the pip calculations are way off. Yeah, again, Conrad, you want to be on that level and you can't even count pips. Like, that's again my next thing. Not sure he's still following anti-K, but bro, that's the thing. I wish the guys, just because we just stop promoting something, not that we're not promoting it, but like, doesn't mean it doesn't work. Vibes. What is the margin on a 10 lot on gold keys? Yo, bro, it's hectic. It's proper. Yo, I mean, to give you, put it in perspective, bro. I mean, if you caught the gold move yesterday, for example, with a 10 lot, you made $100,000, and that's half the move because we moved $200 basically. So if you caught the 5,000 to 4,800, you made $200,000 in yesterday. So I mean, you need margin for that, bro. I use the ultra low account and the highest lot size I'll go is 0.03, and I'm not that brave to push it. For insane purposes only, yeah, gotta love South Africans, bro. Like, and that's the thing, guys. I know supercars are expensive, okay? Hear me out on this. Supercars and all this stuff. Firstly, most of these guys don't buy a house, okay? So they're still renting. Next thing's up, the cars. Remember, we need to have tax write-offs. So cars become tax write-offs for us. So now you start buying cars. Bro, I mean, what, 40,000 a month, okay? Keep this in perspective now, and that's the difference as well when you're a solo person. So for example, Chris and myself have a company. When we have a look at our profits and we're done breaking everything down, whatever our profits are, it gets split 50-50. Okay, so we can obviously see that. So already now you're splitting things half. Where obviously the guys who have it solo, that's all their money, they chow in one way themselves. So when you're renting, thanks my angel, when you're renting or when you're doing whatever, and all you really are throwing money at is your flipping Gucci's, designers, and a car, no shit, you've got money to throw bags at every single month. And then you still have the retainers that your broker pays you. That's why we said we are probably the only decent size or big IB, if you want to call it that, who does not have a retainer. Hey Keeks, yesterday I've paid join Prodigy, but I'm still not added. Fudge, impossible, my brother. Impossible. Fully automated system. We had another guy try his luck with us, for example, saying, oh Keeks, check, here's my proof of payment. I sent it, and firstly his proof of payment is showing a bank account that the money was sent to. Isn't our bank account. It also shows a bank card. Neither of those bank cards are mine or Chris's, so don't know who you paid money to. Then secondly, it's a fully automated system. The guy's like, I don't have a WAP account. When you buy, you go onto WAP to purchase Project G, so you have to make an account. So yeah, it's impossible for you to not, and it's fully automated. It's impossible that you bought Project G and you have not been added yet. It's fully automated. The minute you buy it, you are added. Gold drawdown can scare you. Yeah, chances there. I'm not saying you, that same person you tried his luck to try. Because I don't think it was your name. It was a different guy's name. But yeah. Where did you purchase it, my brother? That you joined it and yet you're saying you're not added. Thoughts on NASDAQ keys? Not terrible, my brother. As I said, I am bearish. I do not touch indices in London session. It's like one of my rules. So pretty much gold is the only thing on the card for me. Where gold is now, I can't. I need gold to come further down for us. Morning, Strategy and Chad. What's up, my brother? We're about to inverse the 4-hour OES. Yeah, it closes at 11, so we just want to wait for that 11. But we're also going to hit the next one now, Raven, at 47.01 basically. If you look to the left, you'll see one there. So that's the thing. We're closing under the other one, but we're about to hit the next one. Hello, Fats. Can you answer me there, my brother? Or you just got MIA now? I still, guys, you know, that's the one thing I will always say it. If your mental can't trade a prop firm, there's something wrong. It's not about the money. It's not about all of that. When you are restricted and you can't full send and do all this other cuck, and you have to trade like a professional trader, can you still be profitable? And yet all these guys will have all the excuses under the sun. How low can it drop? How low can you go? If I could tell you exactly where it's going to drop to, I could snipe it and we could be smiling all day. Is a 10k account a decent account to trade if you're profitable? 10k what, dollar or rand? Dollars. No, 100%. 10k dollars you can trade lacquer with. So put it this way, if you trade a 10k dollar account, you basically trade in the equivalent of $100,000 live FTMO or live prop firm account. Because in theory, you're actually just trading $10,000 because that's what you have as drawdown. But there, that's where you have to be realistic. You're not full sending here and catching on cuck like that. You trade properly, and you can make a good amount of money just off a 10k. Is Chris going to Delft today? Not sure, my brother. I don't know what his exact plans are. Bro, the Marlin pit for you situation, that's just an absolute joke. Like, yeah. Keys, if permissionable to ask for taxes and trade SA, how does it work? When you, I'm just gonna say, like, it's not something necessarily you have to worry about, but when you think you're at the point that you withdrawing enough money that you are, in a sense, profitable as a trader, then you need to now declare it. The easiest thing is have an accountant. Thanks. I'm looking at 4650 level. Watch price action there, but after this move down, bound for to get a filthy grab before high. Yeah. Yeah, slash it's them. It's the owners of Tammy Taylor's nails on that. That's a whole, you know. Oh no, they are clowns. Yeah, they're not. Well, Fabs, I mean, that should be general knowledge for anyone. It's called Tammy Taylor's. Alright, her name's Mel. Then she still even met the lady, Tammy Taylor, and yeah, I know. Absolute. Cornell, you'll finally be able to use his word. Safe Owens. He's gonna come in here. Wat sê die Owens? We gaan het terug bij je komen. You kidding, really? Probably Google it. They still, like, it was a whole massive lawsuit, and then because they basically stole it, and then they said no, they actually had a conversation. They asked for permission. Bro, like, just think about that logically. I'm gonna go make a company. Slash was like, you're gonna come here and say, I'm going to go make a company, but I'm gonna call it Keegan Van Dijk Trades. But Keegan Van Dijk isn't the owner of it. What? And it was stolen underneath. They said, no, we just asked to use her name, which they didn't. Yeah, bro, it's a messed up thing. I've known about them necessarily for long, like not like them, but the drama. Because I had a friend a while ago, so his girlfriend at the time, she opened up one of the first Tammy Taylors in Cape Town. And obviously doing that, she was working with them, and then she found out about a lot of their underground shit, and she told them that they must go fly a kite. Like, she wants nothing to do with them. Flash brother and scammers, that pit idiot flaunted luxury lifestyle wearing Louis and Gucci showing a high life. Man could even afford toilet paper. Yeah, man was stealing the water he was drinking. Alright, I see what you're saying, Yarkies. Damn, man. Nah, bro, they freaking slimy people. What when you say younger, what age are we talking here, Corne? Nothing in school, my brother. Or if that's the question. Remember school, I was always representing EP and SA and stuff with my rugby and athletics, and so you're constantly getting tested. No, I know, but I'm saying, so what? That's what I'm saying. So not in school times, no. That's what I'm saying. Like when you referring to it like younger, like what age area? That's what I'm saying. In school, no, I was not on anything. So like I come from a very, very sporting family. So my grandpa, for example, did boxing. My uncle was the judo South African champion at a point. My mom was SA netball. My sister, SA athletics, still holds how many records today? She was literally qualifying for the Olympics till she basically left swimming. Obviously, I had my athletics, sprints, high jump, my rugby. My dad also boxing and karate, South African champions. Our whole family, very, very sporting family in a nutshell. My gran did gymnastics and yeah, everything. So when I was growing up my whole life, I was skinny, but I was always like ripped, if that makes sense. So always skinny, always ripped. Like for example, any test I ever did when we did our fitness tests, whether it was for athletics, rugby, anything, no matter, even at Western Province, I always had the strongest strength to weight ratios. So always just in that essence. But then when it got to later on, obviously you start pushing the limits and stuff. So genetics are there. If you master it properly, now you'll get kaku. Yeah, so that is the thing. So like that's what I said in school, and that I didn't. Now where I'm gonna what I said in school is because you have to remember when you get to that semi-pro professional level of sports, everyone is using something. And the way I'm coming from that is, and you'll be like, nah man, but this guy won't. They will. And when I say that, anyone who's played at that top level of sports will tell you that you are always on something, especially coming out of an injury. That is how sportsmen can recover from injuries so quickly. There is certain dosages of stuff they use to make your bones heal quicker, for the muscles to the tissues to rejoin and heal properly. So to an instance of when you are coming especially out of any injuries, rehab, you are using stuff. So I can't say no, I didn't ever take something. But that is obviously from that side. Key, saw your Insta post as well. How many times did you gym during a week those years? So Shane, when I was that size, that is obviously when I was actually competing in bodybuilding. So that is when, like, I always gym. So I got into gym for rugby. And yeah, so that was the part where I was with rugby. I got into gym. We were obviously always in the gym. Then when I started slowing down with the rugby and stuff like that, then I was like there. And then when I basically left rugby, then I went to the point and I said, okay, cool. Like, I'm not doing rugby anymore. I've always loved the gym. Might as well just compete. And then that's when I was doing classic. So yeah, that's when I was competing. Don't get me wrong, I'm all for it, brother. You still need... No, Cornet, that's the one thing, eh? So, I had a mate of mine. He won essays in bodybuilding in 1 year. And he made a comment which is just so true. And he says, you know what? Anyone who thinks he just got lucky or it was easy because he stuck a needle in him. He said, I guarantee you to come here. He said, you think it's nice? He says, I'll stick a needle in you every single day, whatever the case is. But he says, come to me and tell me once. Let's do 1 week. One solid week of training. And if you can outwork me in one session, I'll give it to you. If you cannot even outwork me in a session, go fly a kite. And that's what people always think. I like that we always joke about with women. That women think they lift a dumbbell and tomorrow they're going to wake up and they're going to be 40 kgs heavier, built like a brick shit house. It doesn't work like that. So even if you're taking stuff, you still have to train as hard, because what a lot of people misunderstand, let's just take testosterone. Literally after you're 18, bro, as a man, your testosterone goes off of a cliff. So, for example, when guys are taking testosterone, to give you an example, you really are taking testosterone just to get your levels to the same as a bloody 18-year-old. Like, that is just the reality. So you're not really enhancing things when you really want to start breaking it down. 100% geeks. My family were multi-gold medal winning smoking champs. Most packs smoked in a day was my uncle Charlie. He did 2 packs a day in average during his World Masters reign. I'm not saying much, but there were a couple of high schools in Joburg that I sold a ton of gear to for their first teams. No, Jad, I'm going to say there is 100% the first teams that are on it, but yeah, it is very disclosed. It's the same with professional sports. It's very disclosed and discreet stuff. What's up, Team A? There's the man. But Sadie Owens. Some of those books always look like they were always. This was a monster. There's small burger who lived up to his name. He was a Big Mac. My go-to was test 250 D-ball and Deca 300, but Deca can make cock. Yeah. Might be a stupid question, but do you think home workouts can get you good results in your muscle growth? 100% Shane. So when I started gymming, if I just show you like my very beginning photos where I talk about when I started gymming, I basically started with my cousin. So what we did is we made a little home gym at his place. So I'd go to my cousin every single day, and me and him gym together every single day because we were both basically very skinny, ripped but very skinny, and literally gymmed every single day with home weights, little dumbbells, stuff like that, a bench, and that's all we had. And we gymmed for about 3 months of consistency until I got confident, stuff like that, and then I got a gym membership, and then I moved to the gym. So 100% home workouts, and that will work. Respect, Uncle Charlie. Okay, but 750 milligrams tested probably in. No. Okay, that is yeah. Stay safe. safe. Agree, Keys. Juice is not magic. You need to put the work in. Yeah, it helps, but it's you still gotta graft. I'm sorry, guys. I'm still just finishing my food here. Jared, I don't know if you know Steph, bro. When I was growing up, all I wanted was to have legs like Steph. Essie, bro, that man's legs are insane. Small weights are such a good, only asking. Have you put anything on a stretch yet? Nah, my brother. We're still waiting. Nothing like clear for us to take yet. Sports science, one guy, 1 year, 100 seconds. I need to pull up push-ups across all day every day at home, either in kg muscles or we're just talking, nah, we're just talking cack for now, bro. Alright, Mr. Kidney Coach, yeah. Hey, Keeks, what's up, man? I answered your question earlier, Fuff, and then you disappeared. Chris, a proper elephant stretcher, my brother. We don't need ant stretches. Oh, yeah, I'll put you in now, coach. I'll put you in. Start warming up there. Let's go. I'm gonna pop it to you now, my brother. Let's see. Okay. What the hell? Why did not? Heiki says a thing yesterday. I made the purchase, but I've not been at. Okay. But I'll ask you the question, my brother. Are you in Project G? Where did you purchase it? Because you said you weren't added. So are you on WAP? I'm starting to get keys back in the gym, no sauce though, just some good old muscle take for the boys. Hey, here's the man. Alright, hold on, I'm gonna mute my mic.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Wait, are you watching on the stream?
Hello.
Okay.
Hello.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Kiki.
Kiki. Let's see if I can get you on, yeah. The van's out, boys.
Though. Wait, let me just get a light on in this room. Where are the lights in here? Bro. I'm sitting on the most uncomfortable chair I've sat on in my life. I don't think I'll be able to trade from this chair. Let me try and grab a seat somewhere here.
How did you pay for it if you didn't use what? Project. Fats. How did you buy Project G? Are you on WAP? Project G doesn't answer the question.
Yo, this chair is just as uncomfortable. Yo. What does my camera look like there? Let me just see.
I got half of your head.
Hey, don't put me on, bro. Wait, let me see. Oh, half of my head. No, don't put me on, Kicks. Let me just be the voice
You're just gonna be
of
the
reasoning.
Voice. The little bobblehead that's there in the background.
Let me.
How was Caprice last night?
Me and Mitchell's playing, bro. Yeah. Yo, Elspie was bleak with me.
How did you tell her?
She's like, I thought you're not going to the gangs again. I'm like, hey, man.
I also thought I was.
Like, I can't control Andy.
Okay, gold is now at our next level, guys. So if we could get something, yeah, I would be willing to get a reversal, yeah. That's only if we get our entry criteria.
Yeah, we obviously spent the majority of the afternoon in Manenberg, and then we headed to Mitchell's Plain.
Never fear, your favorite glizzy is here. Oh boy.
The glizzo, is it lekker?
That's lekker.
Hey. can't keep a dog off the streets.
Giga, can you turn down Kriver's mic a bit, please? Coming in hot. Okay. Let's see.
I think what you need to do is maybe on the sound desk, just bring everything down, the entire mix. Once I try and turn my volume down.
I think you are 7, eh? Or you would be 7. Just talk there.
I'm 35. I'm 35, bro.
Guys, is that better?
Hello, hello, hello. Testing 1, 2. This is not a simulation. This is a test.
So, Chad, can you guys let me know, is that better?
Testing 1, 2. Testing 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2.
Bro, I don't know what's with the Chad today. You ask a question and they take forever to reply. Okay, still the same. Okay, hold on. Then I need to do it on this
Mix.
side. Yeah.
Put down the mix.
Is that my volume or Chris's volume? Am I softer to you now?
No, you're still
Okay, then this is Chris's volume. Alright, guys, okay, that should be Chris's volume down.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2.
Same. How is it the same?
Nah, that's impossible, bro. Wait, let me try and bring my volume down.
I put him
We're
down.
trying.
That's him loud. I can hear him softer in my ear. How are you guys? All good now? Okay, the guys are just delayed with their answers.
Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Okay, there, so you guys can hear now. Already better. Cool.
1, 2, 1,
Do you guys want it
2.
more softer or is that fine? Keys, I'm sorted,
Keep
bro.
it.
I've been away for some time. The last time I joined Prodigy, you were using Discord, so they told me that WAP. Okay, but did you buy it through WAP, or how did you pay then? Are you okay? You say you sorted there.
Kicks,
Yeah.
gold, eh? Stretches, get ready.
Yeah. Oh damn, and it is like.
I know stretches must be pulled out now. What's the stop loss? $18 more or less.
Oh, we have a trader now, guys. Okay, 2
This
minutes.
is the current weekly low, eh?
Yeah. 2 minutes and we could have our entry, yeah. Fine. All good, fine. It's good. Chad, refresh your stream. Yeah.
Hey.
I was gonna say, the guys I feel are behind. I just need to wait for this.
Do I go? Do I go pee or do I wait for the? Oh shit! It.
We literally just have to
Oh,
wait for this
damn.
5 to close, guys. Let's see.
Will we glizz on this? Show me the glizzy.
The one ogre was asking you, what was it? Where is the message? Asking where Chris is going today. Are you meant to meet some of the guys today or something?
No, I met with Karina and Richard now.
Hey, bro, you're gonna break Etty's heart there.
No, I met a fiance as well.
Yeah, well,
You
I
can,
told her. I told you she has a fiance.
I know. I invited him with, bro, and I told you guys she must be scared that I hook up with a fiance, not with Karina. Never let them know your next move, bro.
Crazy how Chris is meeting baddies first on his away trip.
No, guys, come on.
Alright, guys,
Okay,
that's
I'm
in. Yeah, we in on gold buys now, guys.
Oh.
Why is my thing?
Will it be a quick haircut?
We're gonna have to see ya, bro.
What?
I'm basically running a 150.
Okay. I made mine a little bit more. 16.5.
Yeah. Thing is now, the only thing I don't like is because obviously you have all the volume here, but I mean this is a valid trade. But if we get this one right, whew, this could be a nice quick volume to the upside.
Ooh, quick volume to the downside. Is there news that
a
came
little
out?
haircut.
I'm still in there. Like I said,
I'm also
16.5.
still in.
I made mine 16.5
Chad, just so you can see, I am still in on the trade.
because I actually worked out my stop to a $17. Ooh, back at entry. Will we get the glizzy or will we get blizzard on? This is the current weekly low, eh?
Yeah, it is. Getting a buzz cut, yeah. Is there news, he says.
Is there news, he says. Right, let me just check.
No
The
DAX
blizzard.
trade this morning for you.
No, I was actually... no DAX trade yet. I'll let the guys know.
What is NAS? I still don't like any of the other moves here today.
DAX yet. Also still looking... Ooh, there we go. That's me.
Yeah.
Got blizzed on badly.
I love how Chris joined.
What now?
Bro, man joins and he's taking more shots here and then he took at freaking Mitchell's plane.
Yo. Just absolutely got blizzed on, yeah. Absolute blizz fest, yeah. There, those dollars I made on the gold trade yesterday, just gave it back.
Chris just wanted the dopamine.
I just wanted that rush.
Brian, come save us. Need to join Swift for falling knives.
No, but it was a valid entry.
No, it was.
It was 100% valid. Let's check here. I've got another level at 4655. Wait, let me just check. I didn't mark out my levels this morning. Yeah, 4655, Kigo.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nah,
So I'm really gonna.
my only
I'm
thing
gonna
is,
bang
bro,
it there.
being midday, and I've said this lots of time with the guys, midday, and we basically 2.6% down. I think it's going to be a trending day to the downside for gold.
You're right. It
Yeah.
could be.
The fact you're
But I'm
already
gonna-
that far down.
If we get to 4655, I'm going all in.
Yo,
I'm putting all my chips on the table.
man is
100%.
a man's ready to send it.
These executive rooms at the Taj is not cheap, my bro. Our bathroom is bigger than the small pip trader's entire hotel room.
Bro, where is the Taj? Waterfront.
Cape Town.
No.
No, it's what's the street? It's close to waterfront. I told you the Indian people love me. That's why I'm staying at an Indian hotel. And I had some beautiful Indian food last night.
I'm actually surprised, bro. You chose a good one. You are like known for choosing absolute shit places to stay.
This place is lax.
Trend for golden as I reckon today, Keeks. Yeah. I caught 800 pips before 10 a.m. already. Sheesh. Oh, I work remarkable. My dad works there at Taj. He's the IT technician for them. Geeks, can you ask Chris when code legend25 for Vault Funder expires?
I can't tell you that. Because it can expire at any minute. So you gotta get involved quick. Bro, how did I lose my levels now? I haven't even checked the dot plot. Did you check the dot plot?
Nope. Where else?
Oh, it's actually...
There's two of you. How do I refer to one of you and why is your friend invisible? What? There is two of you. How do I refer?
John Cena is my dad, bro. That's why you can't see me.
Yeah.
I am there, but I don't know. It's that Cena blood in me.
But you just call us Chris and Keegan. There is names, and that is how you refer to us.
Did they not know Cena as my dad?
Apparently it didn't, bro. I thought the buzzcut would have given it away.
Geeks, I might rip it now again in 2 minutes, dude.
Chris Marwood, why you friended me and then unfriended me on the gram?
Who's this now?
Nosh.
No, my friend. I didn't friend you and unfriended you. Please note that I am blue tick, my brother. So if there's not a blue tick next to my name, it is not me. Young Paraguayan.
Chris is the chair.
Geeks, I'm going for it again, bro.
You going to?
Yeah,
Mans.
Not now. You obviously know when.
Yeah.
Let's work out my lot size.
Trade was valid. Yeah, no, it was valid, Max.
100%.
Like, losses are part of trading, guys, but the trade was valid. Yeah, Carl, it's Fricky the trader. We got him on as a special guest.
Frikadaliki. 42 seconds, and yeah, if this trade doesn't hit kicks, I might borrow some money from the 2G's members. So,
bro, but it's okay. If you actually can trade negative money now.
dude, the guys shouldn't post cuck like that. No fucking broker. Trade with a broker that allows you to trade negative. Like, I like to do and stuff, but don't post cuck like that, please.
Bro, that is how far is this taken now? Now we trading negative. We flipping negative money to hundreds of thousands.
Yeah, no. Okay, I'm in kicks.
Alright, Crower's back in here, guys. How big's the stop now? Still the lows.
Yeah, still the weekly lows.
So what, 250?
I made it 260 just to give it a little bit of glizzy.
And then 1 to 2.
Yeah, 1 to 2, bro. What is it with the negative? Because here's the thing now. If you post shit like that, now if a client is stopped out when his account is in negative, he's gonna be like, bro, what is this? Why are these oaks trading negative? And like, where do you draw the line now?
Yeah.
Like, no hate or anything. Like, just like, what are you representing here? The broker gives you unlimited drawdown.
Yeah, for me, it's a funny one, bro. We were talking about it earlier.
What do you think of it?
I think it's such cock, bro. Like, yeah, that's not something you should be posting. Geeks, you buying gold? That's very high risk. Stormer, I'm not in this one.
Just put there Chris's trade.
This is the invisible trader. He's in this one.
Put there Chris Cena. If this trade hits a 1 to 2, can you get that theme song of Cena?
Yeah.
Okay, shot. Da, 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 da. Oh, I think that's gonna become my new theme song. When we clap a win. And the only reason I'm buying gold is Leka O said he only buys gold. He never sells it. And he says he makes Leka money.
He makes lekker money.
He told me, he's like, if you want to be a Leka O, never sell gold. Things won't be Leka for you. You sell gold. So I want to invoice him for these 2 losses if it is another loss. Any thoughts on DAX? Yeah, I'm gonna try and catch falling knives the entire day on everything. So purely, obviously, the news came out last night. I must still check what the dot plot is showing. But in a lot of cases, if you think about fundamentals, like guys think yesterday was obviously a big day in terms of forward guidance where rates can go, but to a large extent, a lot of it is already priced in to an extent. So you're going to have the initial reaction, and then it's going to correct. So yeah, I'm purely looking for buying opportunities. And if you're in Prodigy, you would know why as well.
Bro, Brian said he's just not gonna pay for your peanuts at the Taj.
Nah, Brian, I'm actually. Let me go and look at what's in the. I'm not making that mistake again. Like when I went down this morning, and I asked him like, how much is the hotel transfer tomorrow morning to the airport? Oh, so that will be 1,500 rands. I'm like, okay, no, don't stress about that. I will organize an Uber. Let me see what they have here. Okay, some wine glasses. Okay, oh, here's the wine fridge. What's in here? Oh shit, nothing in here. I probably saw I only have enough money for the room. I could smell that poorness on me. Because I don't have a broker that gives me a negative balance.
Sure, bro, we need to find those.
I'm actually going to make a little cappuccino here.
Alright,
They're not going to charge me for this cappuccinos, eh?
it's time. We need to bring out that liquidity for Cribbo, yeah.
Keeks, am I going to get charged for the cappuccino here as well?
You shouldn't.
I drank quite a bit of water. This water must be like $400 a bottle or something.
Christian, I just started walking to the airport tonight.
Dude, I will never pay 1.5K for airport transfer.
No, that's
Just
stupid.
out of principle. Never.
Bro, this is my partner's ringtone. We need to bring some volume back here for Kuber's trade.
What is the trade doing? I'm not at the screen.
You at break even.
Don't lie, I'm close to stocks. Be honest.
Nah, you were in drawdown, but you're more to break even now.
So I'm still in drawdown.
Yeah. That's me out. How are you out?
Who's out now?
Rich Nella. You only literally 40 pips down. How? 40 pips out of 260. How are you out?
I think he calculated his lot sizes wrong. Here's actually entire. Bro, but nah, this is where they catch you. You've got like these little Parmalat notes, and then they bang the little 500 mil here. Now, if I open this one, they're gonna charge you like $400 for that. Not catching me here, boys.
I'm rocking timepiece by Benny, if any. The same reason y'all could love me is the same reason y'all condemn me. A man's measured by the way that he thinks, not clothing lines, ice links, leather and minks.
How's the trade looking, Keith?
You basically back at 40 pips drawdown. Hey guys, where's also side note? Where's my Forex Fund traders? Have any of you guys got your emails yet?
Did you get an email?
Nah, I haven't got mine. They just posted their emails went out last night to all the guys who had live accounts. They said obviously it's a large amount of people, so it's going to take a while to go out for the system. But the emails are going out from last night.
Dear Lekker O. Alrighty, let's get back to the chair. Yeah, that's not looking horrific. I can work with this. There's a little bit of a lifeline here.
Yeah, you're still good, yeah.
Lekker O.
Well, nothing is free in this
free.
life.
Cheers, Kigo.
Cheers, my brother.
People might need the coop here. Let's save the coop for when we really need it.
Bro, I was having an idea earlier. We go up for FMIS. I think it's a little bit after, but we go up a little bit early and we go for Ultra.
Yeah, I'm just gonna tell my wife, hey, yeah, we're going up for FMIS. By the way, I will be going to Ultra. Yes. No, Keith. What do you mean? What do you mean Ultra, bro? What are you talking about?
Bro, Ultra's a vibe.
Ultra is the vibe for not married men with two kids
bro.
and a wife.
I went to Ultra and we partied with like these 50, 60-year-old granny and grandpas.
Bro, don't talk cock here.
I'll skate, bro. I think they were from Netherlands or somewhere. They were in South Africa, but
what
they
I'm
were.
gonna do is I'm gonna put us on a conference call, me, you, and Alcibi, and then you pitch that idea. Then you pitch it. I wanna hear. Hey, Alcibi, we're gonna go. What is Ultra? I don't know. I'll send you some videos. Yeah, no, absolutely great, guys, and you must enjoy Ultra. Eh? Lekker Ultra.
Just buy another car, bro, and you're good.
Bro, you saw even the X3 didn't get me out of cut, bro. How's another car gonna...
Keys will be sleeping on the couch for a year. Because Ultra is for everyone.
Okay, now Ultra is for everyone except me.
Ultra is legit, DJ Cribsy. That from Pakistan, what's up, my brother?
Only if I can play a set at Ultra, otherwise I'm not
Sure.
going.
Imagine Cribber with that haircut at Ultra.
Say.
Baddies half dressed at a festival will sit well with his wife. We don't tell them about that, bro. That's not part of the preposition, yeah. That part doesn't come up in it.
Breakfast song, Karina. Lekker, lekker. Keeks, I don't think Ultra will fly. I'm honest now. I know my wife, bro. I've been married for...
She can come with, bro.
Who else be with to Ultra? Are you? What are you smoking, my G?
Everyone needs to just calm down a little. We need a break.
What stuff are you smoking?
Bro, she can find some new clients there at Ultra.
Yeah, sticky.
I would pay for that, bro, to see LCV at Ultra.
Few people know that she actually has a tattoo, bro.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
I'm like a little, like a small one, obviously.
Not small. I would say...
Like the size of Caitlin's ones?
I would say about 12.5 centimeters by 4 centimeters.
Has she always had it, or is this relatively new?
No, we got it when we were younger, bro.
Hey.
Elspeth was also a little baddie back in the day before she found Christ.
That's what I'm saying, bro. She'll enjoy Ultra.
She was also a little baddie.
Ultra's unholy Kyo. Sees pics of Crib at Ultra with his shirt off. Crib will be dead.
Bro, Ultra is satanic.
Who brings the... I went to Ultra with my missus.
Now, I'll first need to chat to Eti. Eti's gonna have to put me on a round of stimmies.
No, bro, it's your people, bro. Like, Fubs, all the oaks at Ultra take peptides.
Bro, but why are the guys that are on gear always like sweaty, my dude?
That's a side effect, bro. You get hot.
The oaks always they always have like a little bit of a glisten on their skin.
Bro, you can smell a trend sweat. That is, yeah.
Can you smell a trend sweat?
Bro, you can ask Eti. You can smell a trend sweat.
Trend sweat. Yes, dude, the oaks on gear always have like a few beads of sweat on them. Always.
The extras percent first. That's bad.
Wait, what did he say?
Nah, bro, I promise you.
Oh, it's a trend sweat.
Dwayne, did you really not know what Ultra was?
That's good. You shouldn't know what Ultra is.
Don't go with fobs. They ditch you there in their tier 3 DJs on the outskirts to find them front stage of main stage. Train sweat is first a ramrijk. No, you can drink it. Try to end once, never again. Bro, we went the last time we were at Ultra. We obviously had another. So it was my mate, Kate, and then another one of like our chick friends. And obviously we get lost in the middle of like the night. All our phones are dead, and now you gotta try find each other. Oh my word!
I'm not 80 saying piss and fizz. Oh my, man. Etty kills me, bro.
Let's start a Prodigy
Etty.
ultra motivation for the wives. Nah, Fobs, 100%. We actually said like either next year or something. Kate and myself want to do Tomorrowland.
Bro, Etty is an absolute animal.
Etty's on side quest, bro.
Animalistic, dude. Oh, but listen, yeah, I laughed the hardest with Bevy's quote. If price be overlapping, cheeks be clapping. Oh, where's Baby's? Baby, yeah. Yes, dude.
Especially if you don't like sleeping. You're the insomnia, bro. Bro, that's where the girls have unholy things on their mind. You know, you'll get wrecked.
Yeah, Dax had a nice bounce, but I'm obviously now already in
Trevor,
this gold trip.
did you read Etty's message there?
Wait, let me quickly go to YouTube. Especially if you don't like sleep. Prebo, the girl I smoked, asked me if I was AI.
Yeah. She's gonna hit you with your own line. If that happens, bro, then you know it's meant to be.
When I was younger, I had a 3-day event, ended up with Astat, even boys don't leave your... Hey... Listen to Brian, this little womanizer, this weapon. Oh, Brian.
Nah, bro, after that, they actually said he was quite a lacquer.
Your gold is not looking lekker. Remind me again why I took this trade? Okay. Gold.
I went to all the mother raves at the electric workshop late 90s and early 2000s. Good days. You will get your SL. Okay.
Who said that? No, that's not kind.
Sing Robin.
I sing Robin. Yo, what did I do to you, my brother? Why do you want me to get a SL here?
Now he says hello. Keys for fun, is it better to risk 1% or 0.5? I like 0.5, my brother, when you live, especially when you're at that break even point, just to get you off the ground. Once you're up a bit, then you can go back to your 1% and take it from there.
Ooh.
Rays and Jules were the best before camera phones came along. Yeah. The Owens were naughty then.
Or Robin Singh coming out with violence, yeah.
Bro, I will never forget it. You can ask Caitlin, I say, the one day when I was still in Cape Town. Do we not go out with the boys? We just played France in the 19s. We go out, we celebrating, we're having a good time. It's a long night. We get back, I get home, I'm done. I go to bed. I wake up the next morning, I've got like 30 phone calls from Caitlin, messages, I'm being wrecked. I'm like, whoa, what the hell?
Oh yeah, your phone was off.
No, bro, that was another night. This one, Caitlin wakes up, there's some chick, random chick on Instagram, not even a friend of her. She sends a video, because one of the chicks in the Uber took a video, like of us in the car. And I was in the corner, and she took a screenshot, sends it again. She's like, "Isn't this your man?" I'm literally the car. Chad, that's not a joke. Like, she'll come in and she'll tell you even herself. Everyone's having a good time. They're all drunk. I'm in the corner of the car, just out. I'm dosing. I'm not even paying attention to what's happening. And then it's like, yo, why are you in the back here? I'm like, because it's my mate who's in the front. He's literally taking this chick home. I'm out. I'm sleeping. I'm having a good time.
Yes, I know that trick where the camera comes onto you and then you act like you're out, bro.
Don't even try that, bro.
Gigs.
Bro,
I
don't
know
even
the
try
tricks
that.
of the trade. Now I'm out. Now I was out.
No. You say that now. The only way I got out of it the next day, I literally had to go into my mate's room, and there he's laying in bed with the chick. That's the only way Kate believed me. I was like, she's literally in bed with him.
Yeah, that's the only way I'll also believe you. These tricks of the trade. I was out, baby. I was so tired. I didn't have a drop to drink.
I was drinking, bro. Right after
what did you like? Hanging on the fridge for support. Yo, gold. Keys, what did I do here, bro? What did I do?
Yeah, that one friend, you took one for the team as a pick with the fridge.
Bro, but you know when you go out and the fridge is with, and then like you want some alone time with the snack, but the fridge is like constantly hanging around. It's like you're like, how do we get, like, can't you ask the fridge just to like go walk a little bit?
Go find some food.
No shame. Let her stay here. It's like the fridge just blocking all operations.
Right, that was one of the things as well. Literally, you say this. I always said Caitlin she had a fridge, bro. The best. I still told you the fridge still thought she had a shot with me, and I was like, what is going on here?
Bro, but you gotta. That type of confidence from a fridge should be studied. That should be studied.
But it's that thing we go. It was one of our first few dates. So obviously my brother-in-law was playing cricket at the time at the stadium. So I'm like, no man, like come with us. Like I'll get you like a box tickets. Come sit in the box with us. We'll chill, have a good time. Bro, would that friend not leave us alone for 5 seconds? Whole time she's just sitting there with us. No, let's take photos. Let's do this. And I'm like, oh my word.
Nah, they'll block, bro. They're blocked. They're part of the block brigade. No, gold is
my favorite snack on the way home from a bender. Ooh, I must say it's changed over the times, eh?
What do you mean a snack?
No, like proper food. Like your best favorite food after night out.
We always grab the steers though, and then for some reason you would put so much sauce on that thing that you would want to puke after. I don't know why we always put so much sauce on it though.
Bro, we always had the go-to Mackies.
Ooh,
then after Mackies, Keys was there for the T20, Fridge was there for the Test cricket. We had obviously the Mackies. Then after that, Mackies became. What else we used to get? Oh, we used to love getting. What's the thing with the fresh tops?
That crispy chicken.
Crispy chicken. Yeah, crispy chicken. And then when we couldn't get that, bro, just a proper garage pie. Oh my. Oh.
Did you guys risk it with the garage pie?
Yeah,
respect. Bro. Nah, respect, bro. I won't risk that. Like, not when you already, like, semi-nauseous.
Nah, bro, that
and
garage pie was...
No, I wouldn't risk it with the garage pie.
He Steelies is always Mackey's after the jewel. Bro, yeah. Steelies is just something else though. That is
Stelios. Gold.
Champions, Galapa, Catwalk. Yo.
Was Catwalk the one where you had to dress like semi-neatly?
They had events where
Like-
you had to do that, but not all the time. Catwalk is
Because-
2-story, 3-story. 1, 2, 3.
Which one is around the corner from Stones? There's
It is close to Stones. They're all like the same
Because
street,
we-
basically, bro.
yeah, because we wanted to go and they're like, no, you have to have like a button-up shirt and stuff. Is that Catwalk?
They have events on, so it depends on the time you went. Delabo is always lacquer for like your pre's.
What was the other one? Not Black Bull. Was there not something Bull there? Across the road from Stones. Why do I think not Black Bull? There was also like a pub type of vibe where
I'm trying to think now.
anyways, this was many moons ago. I think when I was in status, you haven't even reached puberty yet, bro.
Nah, I was, bro. I was playing Grand Coma then.
2009.
Yeah, I was playing Grand Coma under 13.
Oh, but that's 13, bro. I was already living, bro. Like, I've lived life a little bit at that stage.
Right, it's actually hectic, eh? Cause you basically 10 years ahead of me.
I'm an unk, dude. I've lived a few lives. Like, sometimes when I look back on my life, I'm like, yes, this dude lived like a few characters. Like, I had a few skirmishes.
Trevor, you know what we're doing actually? Hold on. We need to, I think it's now, I must actually get it. I think it's, might actually even be next week. Next week or the week after that.
Yeah.
You gotta go with me to the Pearsons' Mana Aunt.
Hey.
Because it's for the 100th birthday. They're having like
I'll
a
come
proper
with you,
dinner.
Kiyo.
And what's the name? John Smith's like the guest guy there.
Yeah, I still remember when I coached John Smith. Yeah, when John came through the ranks, I told him, John, you're gonna go far, my dude. I just don't know how you're gonna get back.
You're 27. Yeah, 27 now, brother.
You can pump. Brian, I've lived, my dude. I've lived. Yo, back at entry. What did I do with this?
This is the Cena trade, bro. They're not going to see it coming.
You're right. What is DXY doing? Ah, okay, DXY is starting to. At some stage, this needs to correct a little bit, bro. Like, I'm not saying it has to correct now, but at some stage, we need to get like a little bit of a meaningful bounce here.
Add a position, Chris.
Who said that?
Oh, my sack.
Who said that? Who said that? Christina would hold.
You guys have lived. Knowledge grew, but brains, debatable. No, I'm joking. Jakes, one of my naughtiest nights ever happened at Terrace. You know what else was actually a lacquer spot? I enjoyed it, obviously, because it just opened at the time. Was in Cape Town, Cape Town's Madison's. That was always fun as well.
I already retired by that time. Like you said, you guys enjoyed crispy chicken, bro. Like when we were going out, there wasn't even crispy chicken, my dude.
No, nowadays it's just the New York pizza slice.
Keeks, come on now. Why do we need to bring up these type of chats? Like, I thought we brothers here. Like, why do we need to?
Bro, you actually know it was the funniest thing was when it was a seminar. No, it wasn't a seminar.
No, it's just a meetup.
No, man. No. When we did McDonald's, because Mo was there with us. So it was a seminar when Mo was with us.
What?
Bro, McDonald's.
Dude.
Chad, I promise
That's
you
part of
when
why
we...
I had to go onto Rita, bro. When the guys were like, "Where's the team?"
Yeah.
We're like, "No, we are the team." No, really, but who's this for? They're looking for a bus outside, and we're like, "No, we are the bus." Oh, dude, but that was the worst stomach pain I've had in my life. There was something in that New York slice that absolutely ruined my gut. While I was waiting for the plane, I almost cried. I was like, yo, GI distress. Crazy the glizzy, Etty. Yes, dude. Yay. Love it.
Bro, already. Freaking ladies phoning me now asking if I want to sell my house.
They do that, bro. That's just sale tactics.
It's like a fly cut.
Crazy the glizzy.
Yeah, bro, but that was funny. And you know, the thing is that that's not the first time we did that. The day we did it, yeah, at McDonald's in Cape Road, when it was you, me, Ed, Mo, Justin.
Oh,
We all like, nah, boys, you're gonna have an eating competition. Chad, I promise you, when I tell you, Mo, even Ed, the boys had 2 like junior burgers.
it was only me and you that really did damage.
The boys, Ed and Mo, had 2 junior burgers and they were like, I'm full. Justin had 1 junior burger and a milkshake and he was full. And then me and Chris were like, nah, we're not going to be the first one to tap out. So we had like 8 burgers.
All of the burgers, and then we had all of the desserts.
Yeah, then we were like, nah, we're going to have desserts. So then we had all the desserts. Yo.
Oh, the calf cramp, Keeks, yo. Calf cramp, hamstring is almost worse for me.
Bro.
A hamstring cramp is almost worse for me.
For me, I don't know if you've had it, bro. Not also the calf, but it's the same, but it's not as long. But if you get those jaw cramps.
Oh yeah. Have you had the foot cramp, bro? When you try and put your sock on your foot, looks like it's deformed. Yo, that is bad. A foot cramp. Have you had a cramp on your ab, like in the middle?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's also bad.
Yeah.
That's almost worse for me because I don't know how to stretch it out.
How do you put on socks?
Don't ask these questions. Crazy the glizzy.
Bro, now at the CrossFit Open, I got a pec cramp. Thought I was gonna die. A pec cramp. Bro, they are.
Where's Brian? Brian, what am I doing here, bro?
He said you must lock it in.
Huh? Did Brian say I was locked in?
Yeah, when everyone was saying if you go BE, you're gay, Brian already then said, Chris, lock it in.
Oh shit. No, they don't lock it in.
Chess, can you go No, bro, I know what your pick is. Why are you asking me? You guys are the expert.
No, Brian, you
My
Dude, you
boys
were-
lost here, bro.
I'm not like the chat. I just want somebody to
Just
be
give
like,
him,
it's
just
gonna
give him
be
the
alright.
signal. He
Just tell me
needs,
it's.
he needs the confluency. Like someone needs to just tell him, I'm also looking to buy gold now. Then he's happy.
I'm joking, bro. I carve my own path.
The phoenix is rising again. At the age where
Yeah,
I
the
fell
only-
asleep on the couch with my leg up and arm rest, woke up and tried again after my hamstring was pulling like a mofo. I thought I was dying.
Dude, these days I sleep with my arm a certain way, where my arm is completely numb and there's like pins and needles in my hands. I don't know what I'm doing.
Bro,
But then I wake up and I don't have an arm, bro. It's like I need to like pick it up
you have to move it.
put it like back on the bed. Like it's chalk.
It happens as well, so much more often than when it used to. Nowadays, it's always happening. I'm like, what the hell? I fall asleep for like 20 minutes and like my arm's dead.
Big fall in DAX. Oh shit.
Chris, if we
Let's
close
see.
above the previous high, I'm ripping. Range breakout.
Yeah, look at DAX, bro. Big drop in DAX. Gold's not getting off the lows there, boys. It's not good. It is not good. Just wanna check where we are. Ooh. Oh damn, we already tested the first average.
I'd say see how this 5 closes, bro. Because literally yesterday
Yeah.
on our New York trade, this can just be your pause. So if you can just close bullish above that pause candle, I think you're okay. But if you don't, then I think you're in trouble.
Yeah, I'll check this 5. Yeah, obviously the thing with the pullback play, you want it to snap back, you don't want it to range. Yeah, I'll give it a little bit more. Let me just see where's the session volume profile for this session. Nasty, bro. Needs to alleviate some pressure. Yeah. No, I'm gonna keep it, gigs.
That's so funny, bro.
Why?
I'm gonna send you a video on Insta. Like, it's cool, I'm happy for them, but obviously he's doing all the content he did for us. He's using our ideas for them now.
Ooh.
Mosky.
For the church.
Yeah. I'm happy for him. But you
Or
can
for
see
the
it's
false prophet.
it's all stuff we did now for the church.
As long as it's not for the false prophet. DAX.
Alright, enough of me talking kaki and Krisha. We'll see you in NYC. Have a blessed day, gents. Have a good one, brother. Chris still in? Yeah, he's still in.
Bro. Yeah, I'm still in, man. Weekly S3.
So, executive decision made is Keegs is responsible for stream music going forward.
I can't hear the music though.
He's missing out on the vibes.
I think you can share your if you go onto the Teams thing, thereby share, you can share computer sound.
I don't know, is it the screen or the whole thing?
No. You'll see there's like a little toolbar that says share.
Yeah.
And when you click on the share, there'll be a thing that says share PC audio.
Yeah, but then I need to choose a background of which screen I'm sharing, and then it will share the audio.
Oh, you can share anyone. You can share anyone. Oh, there we go. World, hold on.
Man's finally joining us now.
Hey, let's go.
B at a 1-to-1, right? Yeah, Chris would go B 1-to-1.
Here we go, Keeks. Tell us.
What's that?
Show us what you can do. Belt it out, Kiga. Let's hear it.
Hold on. The vibe.
And all back, Keeks. And all back.
Hold on. Cribbo pretending now like he doesn't know the song.
I know this song. I wrote this song. Let's go.
What you think of Zen? Cribbo is a big Zenny.
Yo, I can't do Zen.
Cribbo loves what you want, the 6 mil?
Zen, bro. Yeah, the 6 mil is even too strong for me. Well,
Oh yeah, it's your it's your 6.
wanna see it? You won't pop a 6 mil, show me. Here you go. Gigi! Bro, I cut my hair for you guys. Just pop a little Zenny there, bro.
Bro, the last time you gave me one of those, I was so nauseous after.
Yeah, but you know why though? The Zen exposes gayness. I have to get that gayness out of you.
But you also battling to have it though.
Nah, I'm also, so both of us are gay technically. Zenawana.
Nah, try Cuba Blacks. That thing put me on my ass.
Which one did I have when I...
Seriously, that's my question, bro. Would you, in theory, would you not go BE now already? Because you've taken the highs twice.
Biggs, my question to you is, do I stand when I pee or do I sit?
I don't know, bro. Sometimes that stream doesn't sound so healthy.
Okay, that's also true. The stream is weak sometimes. And I don't know if it's after the vasectomy, because sometimes it is like a little stop-start. Almost like a little carburetor sputtering. Like,
Wait, what was your...
I actually need to have that looked out, bro. But wait, Keeks, was it the 13 milligram when I took it and it almost felt like I got electrocuted, and I phoned H and I'm like,
Yeah.
dude, how do you guys use this? And he's like, what's on the case? And I said 13 or 15. He's like, nah, dude, that is absolute lasers you're trying to swallow.
That thing was brutal.
So, kids, it would seem that we have decided to never get any money from YouTube again. I don't mind it. Like,
I love how you bring this up now when I'm playing music, but it's not an issue when you play music.
No. I'm just saying, have we made the executive decision that $2 per stream, like, we'll rather forfeit? I'm happy to forfeit it.
When it's chowing us, we'll have the discussion again. But for now, I think we just move. We just keep on moving.
I know YouTube is happy. YouTube's like, oh, these guys, we won't have to pay them again ever.
Music is a vibe. Chris is so strategic. Oh. Keegs, in your opinion, does it matter whether Asia session sets the high or low first? And if so, could you explain why if possible? No, I'm only looking at the Asia range after it's set. So it doesn't matter if it sets the lows or highs first, in my opinion.
Kecha, you're right. The rebates does pay. They do take $2 per lot. But then we at least need one lot from one of you guys. I think every day somebody needs to come on you and say, Chris, I traded one lot. Your $2 is paid by me. And then we have like a little area on the screen.
Actually, wait, hold on. The stream was paid for today, bro.
Oh, was it?
Jexy donated.
Jex! Still saving up for the yearly. Jex, I'm in Cape Town, brother. Come talk to me.
Jexy actually donated, yeah, bro. So the stream is paid for today.
Jexa. Chad, what do you guys think of that? So let's say either you donate, so it's $2. And if you pay $2, your name gets put on, the stream is sponsored by you then. And whoever donates, we will have like on the screen, like this stream has been sponsored by the following partners. What do you guys think?
Okay, if we had to do something like that, I do think we have to review it, bro. I do think the streams are a bit more than $2, but I think we do need to just...
Look at Keegs here trying to extract...
No, bro. When you're gonna sell a partner service, yeah, like...
Look at Keegy. Keegs, that you tell the guys that you would rather learn French than refund the French game project.
Yeah, bro. We are here to provide a service. What type of people are we if I just said, bro, you French, sorry, I can't help you.
Bro, you are...
I will step up to the challenge.
Bro. Was this man not calling out trades in French yesterday? I'm like, Keegs, my bro. I never knew a man could hustle like that. But I respect it, bro. I respect it.
Bro, Steven caught the trades. He's sorted.
Bro, Keegy calling out trades in French was incredible. And then Emil saying, guys, he just speaks French. He's not a retard.
Bro, Prodigy is a vibe in the afternoons.
Brian, this man literally for $50 is going to learn one of the most difficult languages to speak.
How bad do you want it, bro?
That was low-key calling out trades there on my behalf. Telling Steve when to go break even, where's entry.
Prodigy streams would get us nuked on YouTube. Yeah.
No, cancelled immediately.
Keys, is the farming areas valid for shorts? Ooh. Technically, you would only be looking for shorts because of where we are.
Wait, what did he say, Keys?
The 5-minute OES. Yo. If I look at that there, my brother, that is there and it would be a sell. So if you were trading OES now, that is a sell there.
Gigi, I'm going to break even on a skull there.
Oh, Wesley, another one to add to the stream. Vibes fun. Thanks for all you do. Hey, appreciate it, Wesley.
Big time break even, eh?
Okay, Cribbo's break even, guys.
Reason being is Keys, just put a range around that little box we formed.
On what time frame?
Let me just check on the 5 minute. You can even draw on the 5 minutes. So go on the 5 quickly. Go on the 5 minutes and then check that little support resistance area. Are you on the 5 minutes?
Are we talking of that?
No, go on the 5 minutes.
I'm on the 5.
Check where the resistance is. That little support resistance area that broke down.
That's sometimes
basically.
That's
Wait, the stream is lagging.
what resistance are you seeing?
Support, bro. I'm gonna try it. Keeks. Let's
Bro.
above your weekly S3. No, Keeks.
No, yeah, I'm drawing that one, my brother.
Look left where there was a support on the weekly S3. Then we
Yes.
broke below it.
Yeah.
No, earlier this morning.
You behind? Yes.
No. On the weekly S3. On the weekly S3.
Guys,
What about
please,
the weekly
please
S3?
understand. But then
Ah, shit, bro. Let me wait. Let me just share.
the only other one is there, bro.
No, bro. Wait. Let me just share.
What are you
This.
on the weekly S3?
Wait, Keeks. No. Wait. I'm gonna share it. I can't work like this.
Bro, I have no clue what you were talking about.
I want to show you. Keeks. Wait. Open up this link in the chat.
Bro, that is the one I drew.
Pull it across. No, not there, bro. Not there.
Bro, that
There
is
you are.
where you drew it.
There, yeah.
That's where I
Show
drew it
my chart,
earlier.
bro. Show my chart. Bring it on the screen. Yeah?
Chad, is this not the one I drew earlier? Let's look where that is.
Right.
I drew this over here, and he said no, not above the weekly S3, on the weekly S3. And then I was like, what the hell are you
Hey.
talking about?
There you are. Okay.
Is this
So
not where I
see,
drew it, Chad? I drew it, yeah. Obviously, I didn't pull it across here, but we drew it, yeah. Yeah.
Wait, I think I'm out. Yeah, I'm out. Okay. So here's the thing, guys. You see how we found resistance there? We broke out, and then we closed back inside of the range. So that's a fake out. So it's not bouncing.
Yo, Chad, the way this guy's making me imagine, yeah, I can't see support and resistance.
And my stream was lagging.
Yeah, the guys are saying it's lagging quite a bit now. Now, guys, I think that is pretty much the session, though. I'm not going to take anything else now.
I mean, neither. I think it was a good try. Keeks, you can mark out 4655 for them. That's where I will look this afternoon to grab.
Basically over here, guys. 4655.
Yeah, that's my last line of defense where I'll try.
So we'll look
Try
for
a little
something
bounce play.
like that, yeah. Just so you guys see that. But that's it. Kribbe, shot for joining them, my brother.
No, it was lekker, Keeks. So I appreciate you guys.
Glad to see the man still alive. Alright, but Chad, I think that is going to be it for the session. We're going to finish up here. Prodigy, I'm going to see you guys a little bit later for New York. We'll obviously touch bases what's happening there. I definitely think NAS and that we could get trades there because they are looking a lot stronger. So if we're going to get moves, either continuation or a reversal, because they are basically pretty much neutral on the day. So they can have a lot of potential for either way to really move. But we'll get into that a little bit then. For the rest of the guys, again, don't try. I know it looks like there's volume, but if there's not trade areas for you to get in and get involved, don't try to force something, all right? But Chad, as always, thank you for all of you that attend and being part of it. Before you guys leave, do us a favor, just hit the subscribe button if you are not already part of the family, and just hit the like, because everything on the channel is for free. So you doing that is just helping us grow the community, all right? But Chad, on that, take care of yourselves, take care of each other. Peace and love, baby. Cheers, Chad.
Peace.
This is absolutely fucking unbelievable.
What's you got there for the semester of college and you ended up never leaving? It's that energy on the dance floor that I think has, helped house music completely thrive from there. There's definitely like the leftover hippie vibes from the 60s and 70s, I think. It's just a great place to go out. There's something going on every night. You meet people there are fun.